one of the added benefits of running this BioBuilder program that I hadn't anticipated going in was this wonderful community of teachers that we have developed around BioBuilder. Teachers, it turns out, love learning, and somehow working with teachers to bring this really new material and new way of thinking into their classrooms really reconnects them with their love of teaching as well. And the teachers have become tremendous ambassadors for this program. So they run teacher training workshops all over the country. They speak at professional meetings about BioBuilder. They develop additional curriculum. The middle school level curriculum is being developed by teachers who were excited to bring BioBuilder into the 6th and 7th grades. One of the important outputs of a synthetic biology curriculum like BioBuilder is to engage people in conversations around synthetic biology that are informed and that diminish the scary messages that they get from places like the movies and places that have a particular agenda to push. I think with BioBuilder you can understand what the limitations are of the field. It's really not possible to grow a dinosaur, from a snippet of DNA that we've seen, or the idea that some goo will escape from the lab is an important point of discussion, right? And understanding where the safety around biotechnology is being anticipated or thought carefully about by the practitioners of the field is a great conversation to have, and one that students seem really excited to have actually as well. I've always sort of joked that if I had only learned science the way it was taught to me in the classroom setting, I probably never would have become a scientist. That it really was a chance to work in an investigative lab when I was actually in high school that made me realize how fun science could be, how open-ended it was, how creative it is as a process. And so I've always tried to engage my students around authentic research questions, and that leads to collaborative learning, it leads to team-based learning, and really just sort of lasting moments of engagement that are meaningful. So Massachusetts is a great place to grow a company, and there have been government initiatives like the Massachusetts Life Science Center that provided equipment grants to teachers I'd been working with. Through one of these equipment grants, I developed a relationship with a company, VWR, who has an education branch associated with them, and now that education branch called Wards have been distributing the materials to carry out the BioBuilder experiments and investigations. And really that started thanks to these initial grants from the Mass Life Science Center. Since that time, it's grown to partnerships with places like New England Biolabs that want to provide reagents to the clubs that we run. This partnership with Lab Central has come about because of the entrepreneurial spirit in the area. There are plenty of additional places where companies could help with supporting BioBuilder and education in general. There are levels of expertise that the scientific community and sponsors of biotech companies have, and real legitimate agendas that they have to bring community into the biotechnology that we carry out around here. And I think reaching into the community and sharing what we do with the broadest of publics and bringing public access to the biotechnology is an important mission for BioBuilder, for the biotech companies in the area, and one that I think we can accomplish together.